Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to recover a corrupted Excel file. So I have an Excel file over here which was corrupted but I fixed. But normally when you would double click it, it would open up Excel and then you would get like a pop-up message saying something like this. I took a screenshot. So we found a problem with some content. Do you want to recover as much as we can? If you trust the source workbook, click yes. So you can do yes, but sometimes it does not work, or in a lot of cases it does not work. So this is an alternate way to repair your Excel file. So first what you want to do is open up Excel. Okay, let's go Excel. Take a second for that to open up. Next, what you want to do is open and browse and look for that Excel file you had that was corrupted. So in my case it's this, right? What you want to do is don't press open. You can press this arrow on the bottom and press open and repair. So then I'll ask you, do you want to repair it or just extract the data, right? Let's just do repair. So it will take it back to the format it was. So yeah, and this will automatically try to repair the file. In a lot of cases it does work, right? So it will repair the file and show you what you need to see. So that's pretty much it. Really simple tutorial on how you can repair it. You can even see on the title over here it says repaired, right? So make sure to save this because it says it's another copy, not the original one. So make sure to save that, and if you want to be sure, just copy paste it into a new Excel file just in case there's something weird going on with this file. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.